How to fix WhatsApp notification problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can fix WhatsApp notification problem. So if you're facing notification problem in WhatsApp, okay, then guys you need some solution and as well as you need some settings, okay, to fix this problem. So if you're facing the problem in WhatsApp, okay, if your notifications are not working, not showing any kind of problem, you can just watch this video. Just stay tuned with the video. I'll show you what will be the solution. Just sit, relax and watch the solution, and guys you can also fix the problem, okay, if you are facing the problem. So guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's start the video without wasting any more time. So at the first step guys, what you have to do here, okay, make sure to update your WhatsApp application. So you have to go to Play Store and you have to search your WhatsApp, okay, like this, WHATS WhatsApp. So go to WhatsApp and then guys make sure to update it, okay, make sure to update it. So after the update guys, what you have to do is go to setting, not setting, you have to go to Play Store, okay. After the update, go to WhatsApp, okay, don't go anywhere, go to Play Store, update it, go to WhatsApp, okay. And then guys you have to click on the three dots, go to setting, click on the notification, turn off the conversation tone and turn it off, okay. And guys before that, okay, before that, click on the three lines, reset the notification setting, okay, reset all notification setting. So reset it, okay, don't see descended, just click on the three dot, reset the notification, and then guys make sure to turn it on, okay, conversation tone and notification tone you have to set it, and you can set default vibrate as default, okay. And guys you can use the high proximity notification, okay, this will be benefited for you, so you have to enable this. And after that you can set the ringtone from the bottom, okay, you can set the ringtone from the bottom. And guys you can see the group option, so you can set notification for group as well, okay. So just follow this process. Now go back, and then guys now you have to go to setting, okay, you have to go to setting, scroll down, and guys go to apps, and then guys you have to go to manage apps. And after the manage app guys, you have to search here for WhatsApp, okay, manage app, or you will find here install app in any of your Android phone. So just go there, and then guys here you have to search for the WhatsApp. So let's find it out. We have found it guys. Now tap and open it. After that, first stop the application, and you have to click on the clear data, but don't clear the data now, clear the cache first, okay. After clearing the cache, go to here app permission and make sure to enable the permissions, and then guys go to notification, and guys this is man, okay. So guys turn off the show notification, enable it, and guys you have to enable all the notification setting, okay. Show app icon badge, lock screen notifications, allow sound, allow vibration, allow using LED light, okay. So just do the settings from here, and after it guys you have to go back, and then guys you have to go to other permission and make sure to enable this permanent notification, otherwise you will not get any kind of notification, okay. And turn on this display pop-up window, turn on show notification here, okay, on lock screen. And after it guys it is set. Now restart your phone and check it, your problem will be solved, okay. So after doing all this solution, if your problem is solved, then guys your job is done. But unfortunately if you are still having the same problem guys, then come back to this setting once again, okay. But before that, take a backup of your WhatsApp and then clear the data, okay. This time clear the data. So first take a backup and then clear the data of your WhatsApp, and then guys after the clear data, app permissions, okay, go to app permissions, allow the permissions, and that's it. Now go back, and then guys restart your device, log in your WhatsApp once again, and then guys restore the backup, and then problem will be fixed, okay. So just you have to follow all the solution, and after following all the solution, after doing all the solution, your problem will be definitely fixed. So this is how you can fix the WhatsApp notification problem. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.